Welcome to my channel, Tasha's Merch Review. If you're new here, I provide review content, hauls, unboxings, and I may throw in a few mukbang reviews. If you're new, I just ask that you do one little quick favor. Hit that subscribe button below. Hit that bell to be notified so you'll know each and every time I drop a new video, which is once a week, every Saturday at 3 p.m. Eastern Time. And if you're returning, welcome back. Okay, so if you watched my last video, if you have not watched my last video, after this video, make sure you head on over. I'm going to link it in the description below because this video kind of goes hand in hand with that one. Now, the previous video, I did an unboxing of the Brave 7 action camera. And I said in that video that I would film the next video, which would be this one, with that camera. Well, I have to say that I am not shooting this video with that camera because of one thing. I could not get the camera to connect to the app, and second thing, when I went to do the test run, the sound quality was horrible. I tried multiple ways to try to get the sound quality a little better, but I couldn't. So unfortunately, I'm going to have to send the Brave 7 back, and I will probably pick up a GoPro. So that's what's going on in this video. I am actually filming with my cell phone and not the Brave 7. Now don't get me wrong, the Brave 7 is a nice camera, well made. You get a lot of accessories, but it just didn't meet my needs. Okay, so what do I have for you today? In this video, I'm going to do a review of 2 shoes I purchased from Temu. Now, if you don't know what Temu is, it's a new site where they have a whole bunch of things from clothes, shoes, home goods, accessories for really cheap. And I was really kind of like, oh, I don't know how the quality is going to be. But I went ahead and I purchased 2 pairs of shoes. For those of you who are new and for those who are returning, know that I have done so many reviews of shoes on this channel. I am a lover of gym shoes. So that's what I'm going to review. I picked up 2 pairs of gym shoes. I am the type, I will pick up a shoe if it's a clean looking shoe and if the design is really nice. Now you may, when you see these 2 shoes, you may say, wait a minute, these kind of look like, and yes they do kind of look like a brand name shoe, but they're not. So keep that in mind. Like I said, I like a shoe, brand name or no brand name, as long as the shoe is clean and the design is clean. I'm going to start this review like I do all my reviews. We're going to take a look around the packaging because I believe you can get all the information that you need to know by looking around the packaging. So the 2 shoes came in this Temu packaging, as you can see, orange color with the white, and it says Temu. And like I said, they sell clothes, shoes, house goods, accessories, car accessories. They have everything for the low. Packaging, I would say, is not that good, but you get what you get. They have a QR code here. You wouldn't be able to scan it because how it's packaged up. So this is the Temu packaging. Now let's go ahead and open up. I'm very curious of how well these shoes will be made, and will they fit true to size. Okay, so here go the shoes peeking out. They do not come in boxes. So here is the first shoe, and I believe I paid $29.99 for this pair, and they come in a little Ziploc bag. So here is the first pair of shoes. Now the reason why I picked these up because I like the Pac-Man design on it. Now I will say the picture, this material sort of look like a suede material, but I see that it's more of a like a blue jean material and not a suede material. And these are patched on. You have the Pac-Man and the little ghost going up the side here. And on the midsole is white. On the bottom is blue. And that sole kind of reminds me of a Air Force One sole. On the back you have that blue. On this side you have nothing. And here on the tongue it says Fashion Professional Skateboard Shoe. You have the blue shoestrings. And where the shoestrings loop through, you have like metal accents. And if you see here, it does say Air, but we know these are not Nike shoes. But I will say that the quality of this shoe for $29.99 is not bad. It's really not bad. Like the tongue, you have some stitching, and this is a rubber material. Now let's take a look at the inside of the shoe. Nothing on the sole, no design. But really not a bad looking shoe. It looks like an Air Force One style shoe. But I thought this was a clean looking shoe, and I like the Pac-Man design. Now I did get this in a 7.5 because this is considered a men's shoe. And this is the other one. So hopefully I am able to fit this because I do wear a 7.5 men because I am a 9 in a woman. So let me show you these together. And I do like the color. I like how they use the light blue and the dark blue color together with the white mid. So really nice. And I will try these on so you can see a on feet. So this is, these I would call the Pac-Man shoes. Alright, so the next ones I was kind of excited about because of the design. And I know these are based off of another shoe. We're not going to say the name. But like I said, I don't care if design is clean. I will rock it. So these are the next ones here. And I would say this looks just like the picture on the Temu site. So I'm very pleased with this shoe. So let me show you a close-up. You have the air bubble, the white mid, you have the blue with the red accent. Really nice. You have the white shoestrings with the white tongue, with the red and black shoestring loop accents, with a touch of yellow in there. Really well designed, quality shoe. Now these I paid $39.99, and these are really nice. Let me show you the bottom here. Now the bottom looks kind of plastic, but nobody's really gonna see the bottom. And this material here is feels like a mesh material, breathable. And I also got these in a 7.5, and they also had a different colorway. So if these fit, I would definitely go back and get the other color. I don't know if you can see down here that there's a design here on this side and on that side. So let me show you both of them together. Now you cannot tell me for $39.99 that these aren't a clean looking shoe for the quality. And it looked just like the picture. Let me show you the inside. So I will say, Temu, you're on to something. I will be ordering more shoes. I did see some shoes on there that I'm like, I don't know if Temu can get away with that, but maybe I'll order a pair, and you can comment down below and let me know what you think. Also, comment down below on this video and tell me what you think about these two shoes I ordered. Like I said, they have other shoes that I will probably order and do a review on this channel. I haven't seen too many reviews yet on their gym shoes, but I think it's a great idea, you know. And I'm at the stage now, it's like, I don't care what people think. Like, if they're nice, I'm going to get them. I'm going to wear them, and I'm going to make them look nice on my feet. So now I'm going to put both of these on, let you see these on my feet. you've seen both on my feet. These here didn't look bad. Now I will say they are a little small, but not too much. So these run a little smaller. I could have benefited from a size 8. I will say that they do not have any support. So you may have to put in your own sole. But other than that, I thought they looked nice on my feet. A nice little shoe to pick up a conversation piece, because I never seen a shoe with the Pac-Man characters on them. And like I said, I like the color. I like the design. So not bad. These here I would say is my favorite. These fit true to size, 7.5. I have plenty of room. These have more support. I don't know if because of the bubble, but these fit well. They were comfortable. But yeah, so these are the 2 Temu shoes I picked up. I will pick up some more. I did see a few more pair that I thought would be a good pickup. So now you know, if you maybe have came across these 2 shoes on Temu and wasn't for sure exactly how they are, these 2 did not have any reviews on them yet, so I kind of just got them hoping that they would be halfway decent, and they are. For the price, not bad. Thank you for watching this video. If you made it this far, please make sure you subscribe, hit that bell to be notified. Make sure you like, comment, and share this video with each and every one you know. Thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next video.